on our 4th day here at Triumph. So we have service today. For today, we're so happy. So madali lang yung access namin going to somewhere. So everyone's is busy shopping. This is the beginning of anything you want. This one also, pero kaso may damage ah. Some of these I'm gonna sell online. Buti pa dito guys, yung cafe nila naka-laundry. Guys, gusto nyo magpa-register dito sa Malaysia? Diyan lang
Hindi namin alam guys na si Mama may franchise pala dito. May mini chicken pala siya. Picture mother! Wow, ang yaman pala namin. May ano kami dito sa Malaysia. May picture tayo sa franchise natin, no? Model na, model.
We are now here in Putrajaya. Dito daw yung government nila in Malaysia. So, mahirap talagang pumunta dito, lalo na if you don't have private car. It's nice here. Look. Wow! Wow! There. So I'll show you around here in Putrajaya. So that place is their capital. And this one, I think ito yata yung mosque nila. Kasi I don't know if you can hear it. So may music sila. May kanta na hindi ko rin maintindihan, of course. Wow! We're still here in Putrajaya. Ito, as you can see, the lake here. Wow! It's man-made daw. Man-made lake. Kaya hindi siya masyadong blue. Parang dirty, ano siya, yung water niya. Kasi man-made lang din daw yung paggawa nito. Wow! Wow! We are now in Mitsui Outlet Park. Time for another shopping! So everyone is very much excited. Hi baby, say hi to my vlog. Hi! We'll feature you in my vlog, huh? Oh, we're one. Oh, we're matchy-matchy. Our shirt. Here's inside what's away, what's on. So there, these are the brands that are on sale. So nasa ano siya, billboard. Like Carlo Rino and more. Whoa, 3 for 150, oh. wala akong nabili. Oh my gosh. Wala akong nabili. Buti pa sa Isabella, oh, may nabili for herself. Do you understand Tagalog? No Tagalog? Only English? And Bisaya? What did you buy for today?
White shoes.
White shoes from? What brand? Nike!
Wow.
That's nice. Buti pa sa Isabella, may pera ako. Wala. Okay, eating here at Duksumi Fresh Meat Store and Korean Barbecue Restaurant. Last dinner here in Malaysia. All you can eat barbecue buffet. JJ, are you hungry? What are you gonna eat? Say you never, ever, 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 ever.
Wow!
Unlimited Korean barbecue.
Wow!
So this is my my second time. So the one was in Korea. We're here at, what's the name of the place?
Merdeka.
Where?
Merdeka.
Merdeka. Spell it.
M-E-R.
Mer. Say Mer og Dika. So we're here for the last shopping. Time is 11 p.m. So time for shopping, souvenirs. Last day here in Malaysia. So another store for shopping. I'll show you around Ion. So dito mura din yung mga pamilihan, mga shopping, like fashion and everything. So I'll show you around later.
Wow!
So we're inside the Ion shopping mall. So it's like a Gaysa numaktan ilapu-lapu. So pasalubong, more pasalubong.
Wow!
Last minute shopping.
Siya ka? Oo, may padali.
49, may 29 din dito. Like this, 29 lang siya. Hindi. So mas maganda daw dito mag-shopping during Chinese New Year kasi ang daming on sale. Everything will be on sale. As in lahat. So mga items dito naka-regular prices lang pero mura na rin siya compared to other malls. So ito yung na-shopping namin.
Wow!
Pasalubong back to Cebu. So back to the hotel. Cut on camera. So riding a taxi back to the condo. So today is our last day here in Malaysia. We are now back to condo to pack our things and we'll say goodbye na. Bye-bye Malaysia! Yay! We're done shopping! So this is where we're staying at the condo. So this is the view outside the condo. Wow! This will be my last view. So I'll say goodbye here. Goodbye Malaysia. Bye. We're already packed up. Ready to go home. So our flight still at 6 in the evening. But this time, naka-ready na kami. Ano pa lang, time is quarter to 1 p.m. So this condo has 3 rooms. So dito kami nagstay. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 kami dito naka-stay. Kami natulog for 5 nights. And I'm saying goodbye now. Bye-bye. Thanks for the free stay. Nakasave kami ng accommodation. Goodbye, Luis! Kiss ate, be. Kiss ate. Kiss ate. Kiss ate. Kiss. Wow! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Mwah-mwah! Bye, Luis! I miss you already, Luis! Goodbye, our last token. Because we're going back to Cebu. Yes. We're now riding a train going to the airport. So what station going to the airport kanina?
Museum Negara.
Museum Negara. So 2 more stations?
Si bus kana dili na.
Bus. So bus pata going to airport. So going to the airport, mababas na lang kami for 1 hour. So say goodbye now to our tour guide. Bye, Captain. Thank you, Nay. Salamat, Nay. Goodbye to our tour guide. He's working here. Wahila kaya? Free seating?
Gamay kayo.
Ayun, ibutas bato.
Gamay.
Nagkitiyak sa bato na lang natin.
Gamay kayo.
Yep. Mas matapad nito ako forever ganun.
So, the ticket, the bus going to the Kia 2 airport, which is the airport here in Malaysia, cost 12 ringgit. So it's just 1 hour away from here. Self-service, checking in.
6F ko tiya, ikaw tiya.
Yes, we're done.
Kitang yapon.
Done with the checking in.
Kanihor ko eh.
Seat, seat number 27E. Oh no, it's too far. Too far. So we're done with the immigration. Welcome to be duty free. grabe. Nakaka-stress talaga mag-travel. The best part is the memories. Pero yung struggles talaga are always there. Hindi talaga maiiwasan. So, are almost sobra kami kasi sa baggage namin. Dapat wala kasi kaming check-in. So, ang nangyari was sumobra yung bagahe namin. Nag-exceed siya ng 7 kilos. So what we did, nag-share na lang kami sa ibang gamit para ma-allocate sa iba. Para iwas bayad. Wow! Okay, eating before our flight back to Cebu. Mine is hot coffee.
Ito yan po.
So we have peanut butter jelly, almond chocolate for me. Wow! Yung donuts nila dito, naka 2 donuts plus ice choco or hot combo. 16 ringgit and 12.90 ringgit. So 16, so 28.90 equivalent to 13 per peso. So 375 yung donut dito. Pero malaki yung sizes nila with the coffee. And the donut is also thick compared to sa Pinas. Donut sa Pinas. Going home now. Goodbye, Thailand. Bye-bye. Arrived in Cebu safe and sound. Okay, thank you Lord. Safe landed here at Naiya Mactan Cebu International Airport. Wow!